Hey everybody, welcome back to 3-Day Weekend. I'm working on something a little different today. I have a golf cart, a 2008 Club Car Precedent. It's dead. It lives in the back of Raptor, back in the toy hauler, and camping is only 2-3 weekends away, so I need to get this going. So that's what I'm working on today. Here's what happened. Golf cart stays out here all year round. We're in upstate New York. Winters get very, very cold. So everything freezes and the batteries froze, which normally isn't a problem because I leave them hooked up to the charger all the time. The problem is the charger, somehow, neither kid knows how, it came unplugged. Batteries drained down, went totally flat, they froze. It's all bad. Took them down, had them tested. The test was no good. Got to replace them, but they were 10 years old. They were Trojan T1275s, and I got 10 years out of them. So that's not bad. The guy down at the battery place said, whatever you're doing, keep doing it. So I've got these. They are black, but they are Trojans, even though they're stickered with Interstate. I'll show you why in just a minute. And I've got them all charged up to the exact same level, so they are ready to put in the golf cart. But I want to clean up all the wire terminals and everything, spray some protectant on it, so that's 100% ready. Before I begin, let's talk about these batteries. You'll see they're branded as Interstate. They're GC12s, and you'll say those aren't Trojans. There are a lot of different brand batteries out there, but they're all made by only a few different makers. And these ones, even though they're branded as Interstate, are Trojan batteries. You see these ribs here coming down the side? That's a dead giveaway, it's Trojan. Normally they're a maroon in color. These ones are black. Whatever color plastic they put in the mold, it doesn't really matter. These are Trojan 1275, branded as an Interstate GC12. I like the Trojans. I really wanted the Trojans. These are far cheaper than the Trojans were at the time and more readily available. Get that? So that's what we're going with. Just a quick shout out, if you're ever in the need for batteries, car batteries, side-by-side batteries, lawnmower batteries, drill batteries, power wheel batteries, golf cart batteries, 6-volt, 8-volt, 12-volt, whatever you need. Visit a place called Route 352 Batteries. It's in Corning, and the guy down there, super nice, super knowledgeable. He'll set you up with whatever you need. He'll be able to get it, or he's got it, or whatever. Super helpful guy. So shout out to him. Thanks for the help. Here's the cart, back of the camper. Obviously, last time we took it out, she was put away wet, but that's all right. I'll get it out and clean it before we take off. And batteries go here. They're all missing. Looks like some stuff fell down behind the seats. Before you take out your golf cart batteries, always take a picture so you remember how all the wires go, because you'll end up with a bunch of loose cables like that. And I was going to clean them, but they actually don't look that bad. Maybe I'll just run them through the brush real quick just to be sure. Oh yeah, we got a little bit of corrosion on that one, so I'm going to take these inside, hit them with the wire wheel real quick, just to clean them off. Yeah, we'll just clean those off a little bit. I always use terminal protectant on the golf cart batteries. That one's not bad. And that one's not bad either, but I'll bring out a wire brush for those ones before we hook them up. Got those all shiny. Beautiful. Now these ones I'm just gonna do by hand with a regular old wire brush. All the terminals are clean. If I had this thing outside or in the garage, I would vacuum and clean all this out, but not when it's in the back of a camper, which is blocked into a garage. It's not happening today. But when we get back, I might yank them back out and do it then. The batteries also came with new nuts and bolts, so I'll be, well, just nuts. New nuts, so I'm gonna put those on too. But now, I need to go get all of the batteries from the Jeep way up there and bring them in here. This is the hard part, because that's a long trip and these batteries are so heavy. Oh man, I hate that so much. Got them inside. This is what I'm using. This is for an old 6-volt, like in that 1970s golf cart in there. But I found that with the new ones, it will latch on and works just the same. So if you don't have one of these, you should make yourself something so you can pick them up from the top. Especially because now I need to set them into their spots up here in the right direction. So now's a good time. That picture you took earlier, get that up on your cell phone or whatever, place it there so you can make sure everything is sitting how it was when you pulled it out. Got her all hooked back up. Everything should work. Always do this in tow mode versus run mode. So I just switched that back on and realized that I don't have the key. But headlight should work. Oh, and they do. Turn signals. Yep, turn signals work. Cool. Let me grab the key. I'll see if it tries to move. Alright, got my keys. Something is wrong. Oh, the charger's plugged in. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, there she is. She's unhappy now. It should move. There she goes. Whew, almost had a problem. Forgot the charger. So these are all in, charged up. Good thing I had the picture because I couldn't remember where that blue wire went. That blue wire is for the turn signal stuff. So I had to do an educated guess. That's negative going to the machine, and then the machine has negative coming out for accessories. So I wanted 12 volts, so I hit to the first one. It worked. I was pretty sure, but I couldn't remember exactly. I forgot. I'm going to spray down the terminals with this CRC battery terminal protector. Everyone has mixed feelings on this. I've used it. And I'm not going to say that I'm an expert, but I got 10 years out of the last batteries. So whatever I did, I feel like it's the right thing to do. We're just going to spray those up. Any bare metal is what you want to cover. then before I put it on the charger, I am going to check all the water levels. Which you just do by popping it open like that. And right now they are all just above the grids. You don't want those grids to ever show. Your battery might be done. If you ever do add water, make sure it is distilled water. You can't have any impurities going in there. So I'm going to check all these, just make sure they're all still good from charging, and then we're good to go. Well, that's going to do it for me today. One less thing on the to-do list before camping season starts in three weeks. So running out of time. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, consider subscribing to the channel. We really appreciate all of our viewers, all of our subscribers, and we'll see you next time right here on 3 Day Weekend.